My name's Abigail. I coach an under-11s football team. My dad took us to a dance class. He said, dancing's not for you, Abigail. He took us to football and he knew straight away, not knowing where it would lead us or what path it would take us down.
From watching her being in the junior section and taking that to the ladies and scored some fantastic goals for our team. It was nice to watch that transition.
When I was 16, I got the opportunity to coach, but there's not just so much coaching the team, it's everything else behind it. Coming here on a Friday night, Saturday, Sunday, on a Monday, a Wednesday, I love it.
Abigail's been with the club for well over 10 years. She's such a passionate young lady and the girls are so inspired by her that they want to be the next Abigail.
When anyone starts football, you're a bit nervous. It's great to have someone supportive.
She'll be there for you, like forever.
We are a very tight-knit team. Even in a game, win or lose, we've always got their arms around each other. And the friendship and the bonds that they've got, something really special we've got with them, to be honest.
She was recognised by Durham FA for the time that she's dedicated to girls and grassroots football.
Everyone in the North East region nominated a female in their club to show basically the respect and appreciation for everything that that person does within the club. But standing here and seeing all these people come to watch women's football, 3 or 4 years ago there wouldn't have been anybody. That to me is success.
It's funny.
She's really kind.
She's very kind and supportive.
I want to play football like Abby when I grow up.
I'd love to one day be able to play on the same team as them girls. Hopefully aspire them to do what I've done.